technology is evolving and causing society to look at technology differently. Even in our own industry, I do believe we're going to be utilizing a lot more virtual reality, augmented reality, and in some ways, artificial intelligence. It's starting to creep into our industry in many ways. A lot of it is in content, but when we start thinking about training and ways that we can use artificial intelligence to look at training from a digital aspect, I think it's going to end up changing some of the ways that we look at training.